Making it happen. Looking for an affordable house right here in DeFuniak Springs. Check this one. I love the neighbors. Ha ha ha. Get it? There's not that many. Roof is new. Has a garage. You know, my first house was yellow. I love yellow houses. They make me happy for some reason. As soon as you enter, there's a huge bedroom by the front door. They are renovating. Popcorn ceilings. Definitely found the master closet. I love it when it's integrated with the bathroom. Carpet is new. Lots of overpaint on the baseboards. And not very good painting. Whoever did it slapped it on. Got it all over the floors too. Maybe they're gonna go in and fix it with crown molding. I don't know. There's a lot of overpaint. Pantry. I love this size kitchen. You can definitely put a table in here and make people work. This one does have a dishwasher. And my favorite, I wanted a gas stove. Oh. Gas is the best. Comes with a fridge. Complete with brewskis. The best part is the yard. Some of these boards need fixing. So the back of the house needs pressure washing. There's a little closet when you enter, so from the garage. They really like paint. They actually painted the countertops and it's all on the sink. I don't know whose smart idea that was. Another closet. And I actually like it when the bedrooms are catty like this. Lots of overpaint. It's even on the closet doors. Let me know what you guys think, okay?